Hello, today I'm going to attempt to repair my lawnmower. The idle keeps going up and down, up and down, up and down while it's running. And I'll start it up and show you what it's doing. And then I'm going to show you my attempted repair. This is for the Briggs & Stratton engine 450 series. I'll go ahead and start it up. I have to start it kind of goofy because I messed up the recoil spring on a previous repair. But I'll fix that if this fix works and it starts up. So I have to start it with a drill with a socket on the end, and I just put it on the flywheel there and start it up. I'm going to set the camera down while I start this. You can hear it going up and down, up and down, up and down. And, I'll show you what I think is the problem. Okay, what I think is the problem is the governor spring here is kind of bent out of shape. So I bought a new one here on Amazon. I think it was like $2. This is part number 698719, spring governor for Briggs & Stratton. So I've read that it's common for a brush or something to hit the little spring and kind of bend it and make it mess up the idle like that. Otherwise, I guess it's just the carburetor. So I'm going to replace the spring and see if that helps. Okay, I got the new spring in there. The old one is kind of bent up. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if that's just from use or maybe a branch or something got into it. Okay, I'm going to start it up and see if it runs better now. Well, I guess it doesn't matter if the air filter's on or not. I'll go ahead and put it on. I already cleaned out the air filter. I clean that out several times a year, because I know that'll cause the idle to get messed up. This is just a $99 lawnmower I bought at Home Depot. It's MTD brand. It's a very basic, simple lawnmower. Not doing it anymore, so I guess I fixed it. It's definitely running smoother now. Thanks for watching.